Hey everyone, it's Kirsten from Waffle Flower. Today I'm going to show you what's included in our Christmas in July release. We have the game-changing grip mats, the new Postage collage series for everyday and Christmas, a new dog die, and the new critter accessories for Christmas. Stay until the end to see some of your favorite holiday items restocked for this month. The Waffle Flower grip mat is designed to gently hold your cardstock in place when stamping, stenciling, ink blending, and more. Made from high-quality photopolymer, this mat takes advantage of the natural stickiness of the material to grip papers and stencils without any adhesive or glues. You can use this mat over and over again. Use the included guides either below or above the mat to aid your placement. When needed, the guides along with the two clear carrier sheets are also great for masking. They can also serve as a project saver to help hold your pieces together in between crafting sessions. The Waffle Flower grip mat reduces taping and masking significantly so you can spend more time playing. Check out the video on what size is right for you by our product designer Nina to learn more about the grip mats, the guides, and extender. The Postage collage stamp set is designed to add detail to the Postage collage die and stencils for a completed airmail theme. The Postage collage die can be used on its own to create the look of postage stamps. The die leaves 6 stamps connected on one panel. You can easily trim them into individual pieces to create your own collage. The Postage collage coloring stencil is a 2-piece stencil designed to be layered to create a 2-tone frame on a standard A2 card size. Use the inner openings to color in the shapes in the Postage collage die. There is a background layer and a pattern layer for mixing and matching fun. The Postage collage everyday stencil includes all the layers you need to make these fun everyday icons. All those Postage-themed products are also available in the Postage collage bundle. Not included in the bundle, but also released this time, is the Christmas version of the coordinating stencil. The Postage collage Christmas stencil includes all the layers you need to make these fun Christmas icons. This elegant Christmas stamp set is a sophisticated style that is the perfect component to your classic cards and projects. The graceful and refined font has an ornate feel without being fussy. The following items were included in our June Sneak Peek Club Kit. The multiple presents die and stencil create a collection of adorable presents. The clever design allows you to easily create 4 different presents with one stencil. The Bouquet Stencil Trio creates a dreamy background that mimics the look of bouquet or makes them into bubbles. You will notice many of our card samples have the black sub-sentiment strips that are from the sub-sentiment gift die cut. The Be a Dog die was designed with easily assembly in mind. This dog die is strong enough to be the focal point of your card or an eye-catching embellishment on a scrapbook layout. The Be a Christmas accessory die lets you add a little fun to our Be a Critter character dies. turn them into Santa Paws or the cutest elves in a breeze. The Critter Christmas Bundle includes all the critters, accessories, and stamps you need to create the perfect card for the holidays, for our critter-loving friends and family. We have a new cloudy stencil that features a natural-looking cloudiness along all 4 sides of the stencil. This stencil also includes 4 clouds and masks in different shapes and sizes. The Inside Sentiment Christmas gives the inside of your Christmas cards a finished look. We have also restocked some of your Christmas favorites. Many of you have asked to have a certain item from the Star Snowflake bundle last year, and they are now available individually. The Star Snowflake stamp set includes 9 stamps with a sentiment that cover a wide variety of holiday and winter themes. The Star Snowflake kit die will bring modern elegance to all your holiday and winter cards. The Star Snowflake Stencil Duo creates a modern star pattern that works just as well on its own or with the Star Snowflake kit die. The Winter Leaves Reverse Stamp Set, the Winter Leaves Coloring Stencil, the Winter Leaves Matching Die, the Winter Leaves Foil Plate, the Ticket Frames die, the Holiday Hug Stamp Set, and the Holiday Hugs die. We hope you enjoy our Christmas in July release, and we'll see you again soon.